In VisiWave, there's more than just one view when analyzing survey data. Each view is listed along the left edge. We'll start with the channel map view by clicking on the channels icon. This map shows you areas color-coded by channel. Each channel is assigned a unique color, and any channels used by the selected APs are shown as colored regions, which may overlap. A channel map may be used to validate channel distribution, highlight channel gaps or overuse, or validate planned RF design. In this view, channels 1, 10, and 11 are being used by the selected APs. Channel 1 covers most of the map and is shown in light green. Channel 10 is shown as pink, and Channel 11 is shown as gray. Channels 1 and 11 partially overlap, but channels 10 and 11 only overlap slightly. Instead of using the channel filter, you can also see what channels are used at each location using the Wi-Fi probe. Hover over any location and you can see which channels are in use there, as well as what AP is using the channel. Some areas have all 3 channels present and some just have 1 or 2 channels available. Using the Channel Map Min-dBm option, you can change how strong the signal needs to be in order to be considered covered by a channel. Increasing the Min-dBm demands a stronger signal, thus shrinking the coverage area. You can also view a co-channel interference map. This is where 2 or more radios are transmitting on the same channels, causing interference and performance issues. The map shows the level of severity of CCI in your survey area. Regions range from healthy green to severe red. A CCI map is useful for identifying interference zones or refining channel assignments. To get the most accurate view of your CCI, you should include all APs heard in the survey. In this case, you start seeing a lot of red, severe areas. This indicates that proper channel planning has not been done for this network. And if you turn on the Wi-Fi probe, you can see the number of channels that are interfering at each hover point. The first number indicates how many interfering APs are on that channel, and in parentheses is the signal strength for that channel. In this example, 2 APs are using channel 1 and 3 APs are using overlapping channels 10 and 11. The data rate map shows you areas color-coded by their theoretical maximum rate of data transmission. Each data rate is assigned a unique color, and any rate used by the selected APs are shown as colored regions. A data rate map is useful to find possible high-performance areas and see a baseline for comparative analysis to real-world transmission rates. This view operates very similarly to the channels view. A coverage map survey shows where the signal is strong enough for reliable use based on a set minimum strength. Instead of showing detailed signal levels like a heat map, it simplifies the view into zones such as good, marginal, or poor. This makes it easy to quickly spot weak areas that need improvement and to clearly explain overall coverage to people who aren't technical. Select 1 or more APs to see their coverage. The darkest green areas have the strongest coverage. The lightest green areas have poor coverage, and the white areas are considered to have no coverage at all. You can turn on the Wi-Fi probe to see the maximum signal strength at the pointer's position. Arrows point back to each selected AP, showing the signal level coming from that AP.